Okay, I just thought I would do a video. I'm actually going to be kind of doing a couple of these. Well, there might be actually a few different things thrown in, but right now I'm actually going to do some stuff with Cygwin. I need to install that on here. I mean, I'm also going to have that on the PowerEdge server, aka Dell II. So from now on, you might see computers referred to as that way. I have a couple of different names, so keep an eye on there. But so this video is I'm going to I'm going to go to my PowerShell 3. What did I do? What did I do with it? Oh, right here. Okay. Sorry, it was kind of not. Well, I could have found it in my taskbar a little bit quicker. So I'm going to use the Chocolatey framework, and I'm going to install Cygget, because I don't want to deal with the actual Cygwin installer, because it's not the most friendly thing in the world for people using screen readers. So, because they kind of miss a lot of stuff. So I'm going to install Cygget. Makes it easier because it's right on the command line. So, oops. So Chocolatey's gonna fetch it for me, so I don't have to worry about it, which will be easier. Oh, never mind. It's installing it anyway. What is this doing? Okay. So if you can see, there's a whole bunch of stuff that's being downloaded right here. I can't even keep up with all of it. There's like that much stuff, but I was able to do it, with a single script, so it's going to make it a lot easier. So if you can see, there's a ton of stuff here. Apparently a bunch of Perl scripts, it looks like. I don't actually know I don't know the Perl language, but it's on my list of things to learn, but apparently it's in here. Yeah, so there's So yeah, so there's quite a bit in here. And then after this, I'm actually going to get a couple of... So... Or no, this video I think I'll just do the install of Cygwin, and then I'll get some of the stuff that I wanted to fiddle with in another video, so... Because Cygget's a pretty cool tool. It's awesome because you know, you don't have to continuously open the setup file. You can just call it from the command line, and it downloads it and, you know, installs everything and like configures all your stuff for you. So it's good. And it also even works on server core systems. For those of you who are not aware of that, I figured you would be interested in that, all of the administrators out there. I'm actually trying to decide whether I'm going to make the power edge and the dimension, which you have not seen yet. That's actually going to be on an upcoming video. So I'm trying to figure out if I want to make those core systems or not. So wow, that's still going. If you notice, there's like a ton of stuff that's being downloaded. When this script finally quits, I will show you all of the directories that got created in here. So, now that's just reading the dependency order. There's like a ton of them here, so... There's a bunch of shell scripts running right now. Now, I would love to know why Vim got installed under Cygwin, because I have the native Vim, which is probably going to get confusing, so... I'll have to see what that's about. I'll actually run it really quick on this video to see which one it... brings me to, so let me see. Or I think I probably have to call Cygwin first before I get that, so we'll see what happens. Oops. So just letting me know it's using the default versions of everything. Oh, that's cool. So it points to a PowerShell command. Wow. It's been eons since I've installed this on here. I don't know. I had some issue. Well, I had some issues when I installed this on Windows 8. For some reason, under the SIG server that allows Unix-based services to run under Windows, for whatever reason, those services weren't starting up all the time. So that's actually one of the reasons why I'm doing this. I'm actually testing this out so that I don't have any issues once I install it on the Power Edge, for mostly for administrative purposes, and couple couple of servers, I think. Like, I think I don't know, I'll probably go on a whim and, you know, I'll probably go out on a limb and install, Pro FTP, so you'll probably see me installing it on here as well. This is the, Latitude E6530, guys. That's the computer that I usually do these types of screencasts on. So, let's see what happens here. I'm gonna call Cygwin? What is it? Oh. Okay then. That's strange. I could have sworn that it just added that in there. Okay. So let me relaunch PowerShell. Sometimes I have to do that to make things work. There we go. There we go. I just had to relaunch PowerShell 3. I don't know why, but apparently. Okay. Oh. Wow, typo, guys. Sorry. Oh. I guess Vim isn't in there. Alright, I'll have to check that out later. So, anyways, guys, that's the installation of Cygwin. So, this is the first, part of my little test, and the next video that I'm gonna do, in a couple minutes, that will be the, oh geez, what do they call that? iNet Daemon and a couple of others, through, iNet Utils, which will be cool. So I'm gonna install those utilities next, and then probably Pro FTP and OpenSSH. So I'll be back with those in a little bit. Okay, hold on. So, whoops, shoot. Ugh. So, oh. Wow, this is a pain in the neck sometimes. It really is. Shoot. I guess I can't get to it that way. Hold on. Huh. Sorry. Wow, I didn't realize I had so many of those open. Okay. So, I will, see you guys in a bit.